Okay, boys and girls, we need to use the vocabulary from chapter 4 to finish answering these questions on number 1 and number 2. Let's read the sentence. When finding the sum, what's the sum? Answer to an addition problem. When finding the answer for 37 plus 14, blank 10 ones to make 10. What do you think it is? Sum 10 ones to make 10, regroup 10 ones to make 10, or add in 10 ones to make 10? What do you think, Grayson?
Regroup.
You guys agree?
Yes.
Yes, regroup makes more sense. You regroup 10 ones to make 10. Number 2. In 46 plus 7 equals 53, 53 is the what? We just talked about this. In that problem, 46 plus 7 equals 53. What is 53? What is this called? Jason? What is the answer to an addition problem called? The sum. Boys and girls, this is an addend. This is an addend. This is the sum. One addend plus another addend equals the sum. Okay? Cross out on number 3 and 4 these two boxes because you don't need them. We're not doing that. You're just going to stack and add. Okay? You will have to answer these questions. Okay? Show your work. If you are adding, I want you to show your work. No just guessing. Understand?
Yes.
Show your work. Same with me here. Show your work. Okay. Number 14. All of this is on your own. This is a review test. You're not doing anything with a partner today. Okay, number 14. Let's read the story problem. Mike saw 17 blue cars and 25 green cars at the toy store. How many cars did he see? Write a number sentence with a box for the missing number. Explain how the number sentence shows the problem. Okay, if you were to work this out, Mike saw 17 blue cars and 25 green cars at the store. How are we going to write that number sentence? How would you write that number sentence? Finley? 17 plus 25 equals box. Oh, I'm going to write the word box, not the box. $17 plus 25 equals box. Okay, over here, let's work out that problem. 17, 25, and figure out what it equals. First, we add the ones. What is 7 plus 5? Xander?
12.
12. Where do I put the 2? Landon? Under the 5. Where do I put the 1 for 12? Guys? Above the 1. Should we forget that it's there?
No.
No. Now I can just go 2, 3,
4.
Okay. So we're going to say, how many cars did he see? 42 cars. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that. 17 plus 25 equals box to show our problem?
Because it's showing that how we're figuring out the problem.
Yes, so how are we figuring it out? Why do we put 17 there? Why do we put 17, Isaac? But why did we put 17 there? Chase?
That's the first number.
But what does that first number mean?
It's an add-in.
Okay, yes, this is an add-in. Okay, so why did we put 17 for an add-in on the first one? Nina?
Because in the program it says 17 first.
17 what?
17 blue cars.
Yes, 17 blue cars. And what? Why do we have the next number? Jason? No, that's not the next number. Look at this number sentence. We have 17 plus 25. It's going this way. Why do we have the next number, Grayson?
25 cars.
25 what?
Cars.
Just cars? Regular cars?
Green cars.
Yes. 25 green cars. Okay. I probably should have said we needed to add 17 blue cars and 25 green cars to find the answer. Okay? So I will just say, just write add right here. Add 17 blue cars and 25 green cars to find the total number of cars. All right, number 15. Just leave it. Lean saw these 4 signs at the theater. Section A, 35 seats. Section B, 43 seats. Section C, 17 seats. Section D, 23 seats. Which 2 sections have 58 seats in all? If it says in all, what is that telling you? What kind of problem are you going to be doing? Addition. Please raise your hand next time. In all is addition. Okay? In all means you're going to be doing addition. Now, it says which 2 seats or 2 sections. So we have to figure out which of these 2 sections equals 58 when you add them together. Okay? So, what do you guys think? Isaac, what do you think? What 2 sections do you think that we could add together to make 58? And? Okay. So is this going to be a guess and check?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to guess and check. I guess 43, which is section B, and 17, which is section C. 43 and 17. Okay, 7 plus 3 is what?
10.
10. So we're going to put a 0 here and a 1 here. Now you tell me, we're trying to get how many seats again?
58.
Okay, just by adding the ones right now, are we getting the right answer?
No.
No, because this is a 0. What do we want in the ones place?
8.
An 8. So we can already tell that that one's wrong. It's not going to be B and C together. Okay. What else should we try? Ivan?
43 and 35.
43, which is B, and 35, which is A. Ivan, what made you pick that one? What were you looking at? The ones. What did you want with the ones? You wanted it to equal 8. Does 5 plus 3 equal 8?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's do this. Does 4 plus 3 equal 5?
No.
No. Ivan, you thought, it's a good thought. Because yes, you were right. Try to make 8. Okay, 4 plus 3 though is 7, so that's too many. Let's try a different one. Ivan wasn't far off. He did a good job. He made 8 on the ones. We just didn't get the 10s right. Let's try it again and see if we can get it this time. Jaren, what do you think?
35 or 23.
Try 35 and 23. Did we make 8 again in the ones?
Yes.
Doing it like this? Yeah, we did make 8 again, didn't we? So 5 and 3 is 8 on the ones. 3 and 2 is what?
5.
5. Okay. So, which two sections have 58?
35.
Section
Section A, Section B.
Section A and D. Now, let's tell. It says, explain how you found the numbers that have the sum of 58. What did we look for to make it be the sum of 58? Landon?
To see what numbers we had to add out after 8.
Okay. I looked look at the ones. At the one place of all the sections to see what could make 8. Sorry, this doesn't look like me. Then I looked at the tens to see what number could make